Assalamualaikum. My name is Nushaira binti Ahmad Nazri. My ID number is PDA2211023. So I'm gonna explain the subtopic of electricity. I'm going to explain case 1, price electricity of demand. First, let me read the question. Siti wants to buy some cupcakes and she starts. Siti usually buys 5 boxes of 12 cupcakes, priced at 10 ringgit per box, and 3 boxes of 6 cheese tarts, priced 12 ringgit per box. While observing the prices of the 2 items, Siti found out that the price for 12 pieces of cupcake has increased to 17 per box, and the price of cheese tart has increased to 20 ringgit per box. So, Siti decides to purchase 4 boxes of 12 cupcakes and 2 boxes of 6 cheese tart. Based on Siti's actions, calculate the price elasticity of demand for cupcakes and cheese tarts. Then explain the type of elasticity for cupcakes and cheese tart and decide whether it's elastic or inelastic. Right now, I will explain the calculation and explanation. For the cheese tart, price before is 12 ringgit and price after is 20 ringgit. For quantity, quantity before is 3, quantity after is 2. How to calculate the elasticity of demand? Q1 minus Q0 divided by Q0 times price 0 divided by price 1 minus price 0. Okay, so 2 minus 3 divided by 3 times 12 divided by 20 minus 12. The answer is negative 0.5. So you can see how the graph looks like. The type of elasticity. The type of elasticity for cupcakes and cheese tart is price elasticity for demand. It is inelastic goods because E less than 1. Cheese tart and cupcake are substitutes good.
Hello guys, my name is Soleha Muizzah binti Sabri. My ID number is BDA2211-038. So now I will continue Shaira explanation for the case 1. I will explain how to calculate the price elasticity of demand for cupcakes. So, as we can see at the table given, when the price 10 ringgit, the quantity of demand for the cupcake is 5 box, and when the price increased to 70 ringgit, the quantity of demand decreased to 4 box. And then, so how we want to calculate the elasticity of demand for the cupcake? The formula is quantity first minus quantity 0 over quantity 0 times price 0 over price 1 minus price 0. So we include the price and quantity from the table into the formula. Elasticity of demand equal to 4 minus 5 over 5 times 10 over 17 minus 10, and we can get elasticity of demand equal to negative 0.29. So we can see at the graph, demand 0 shift to the left to demand first. That will show the decrease of demand. So the conclusion is the type of elasticity for the cupcake and cheese tart is price elasticity of demand. It is inelastic good in inelastic good because E is smaller than 1. Cheese tart and cupcake are substitute good. So that's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nurul Shahira binti Suhaili. ID number is BDA 2211027. Today, I would like to present for the case 2 the subtopic for the price elasticity of supply. The case is price elasticity of supply of a commodity is 1.5. The seller sells 1,000 units of the commodity at a price of 3 ringgit per unit. How many units of the commodity will be sold at price of 4 ringgit per unit? Show and explain your calculation. So this is the formula for the price elasticity of supply. Q1 minus Q0 divided Q0 times P0 divided P1 minus P0. And this is the solution for the case 2. The elasticity is 1.5. As you can see at the tables, we need to find the X quantity at the price of 4 ringgit per unit. So we need to insert the formula to the calculation. 1.5 equals X minus 1,000 divided 1,000 times 3 divided 4 minus 3. So X equal to 1,500 units. So this is the answer for the quantity at a price at 4 ringgit.
Hi, my name is Fatin Najwa binti Farid Wajidi from DIA 2B. I'm going to present about case 3 income elasticity of demand. Let's get started. This is the slide of case 3 income elasticity of demand. The table shows the price and yearly quantity of t-shirts sold in the town of Maryland according to the average income. There are price of t-shirt, quantity of t-shirt demanded when the average income is Rm 20,000 and quantity of t-shirt demanded when the average income is Rm 30,000 in the table. So the question is, at the price of Rm7, suppose that the income increases from Rm 20,000 to Rm 30,000. Calculate the income elasticity of demand and explain the types of goods. This is the slide of calculation and explanation, and this is the calculation to find the income elasticity of demand. And the below is the formula to calculate the income elasticity of demand. First, we need to do is 4,000 minus with 2,600 and divide it by 2,600. And then we times it with 20,000, divide it by 30,000 minus 20,000. And then we will get 0.54 times 2. And the final answer is 1.08. The explanation is the type of goods is positive income elasticity. It is fairly elastic income elasticity because the answer is greater than 1. A small change in income will bring about a more than proportionately change in demand, such as luxury goods. The examples are branded fashion, such as handbags, shoes, accessories, fragrance, from Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton. Next is luxury cars, from Mercedes-Benz, Jaguar, and BMW. And that is high-end electronics, such as smartphones and laptop from Apple. As we know, the name of smartphone from Apple is iPhone, And the name of laptop from Apple is MacBook. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Sharifah Rashidah binti Wan Abdullah, BDA 2211028 from KPM Branham, Diploma in Accounting. Today, I will talk about case 4. First, Starbucks and Coffee Bean. As you can tell, it is a positive cross elasticity because they are substitute goods. The relationship between these two goods are: when the price of Starbucks increases, the demand for Starbucks decreases, but the quantity of coffee bean will increase. The second one is Honda BRV and petrol. It is a negative cross elasticity because they are complementary goods. The relationship between these two goods are: an increase in the price of petrol will lead to a fall in the demand for Honda BRV. The third one is butter and margarine. It is a positive cross elasticity because they are substitute goods. The relationship between these two goods is: when the price of butter increases, the demand for butter decreases, but the quantity of margarine will increase. The fourth one is printer and ink. It is a negative cross elasticity because they are complementary goods. The relationship between these two goods is: an increase in the price of ink will lead to a fall in the demand for printer. I think that is all for me. Thank you.